And now a reminder about programmes for tomorrow evening on BBC1. At 7:05, David Coleman is in the chair and Emlyn Hughes and Gareth Edwards captain two teams for A Question of Sport. And at 7:35, attitudes vary on an ideal holiday in Coming Home. There's the Swedish rock group ABBA in concert at 8:05 and Points of View at 8:50. After the 9 o'clock news at 9:25, stopping the spread of a deadly virus is the challenge for Starsky and Hutch, and at 10:15 there are regional programmes. The final part of Royal Heritage is at 10:50, and the late film at 11:50 stars Judy Garland with Dirk Bogarde in I Could Go On Singing. And that's tomorrow on BBC1. And now, to tell us what we can expect from the weather, here's Frank Green.
Good evening. Well, most of us saw something of the sun today, but there were some quite heavy showers about as well. In fact, one of our observers in the Peak District recorded nearly an inch of rain in just 11 minutes, and that's really some pretty heavy rain. And this is the low responsible, this low just to the west of Ireland. You notice southwesterly winds blowing across the country, hence the mild day that we had today. This particular low up to the north, that's not going to move very much in the next couple of days. This one between Iceland and Greenland, it'll fill up and disappear altogether. But this is the one we've got to watch here, this one to the west of Ireland. That's moving eastwards, and by noon tomorrow you can see that low over the Irish Sea. You'll notice too quite a lot of isobars over Wales and central and southern parts of England. So in these central and southern parts tomorrow, I think quite a windy day. Let's have a look though first of all at tonight's weather, and it's really going to be a showery night over much of the country. Some places will still dry at the moment, but there will be showers about, some quite heavy showers, and there's still the chance of a thunderstorm here and there. But in between the showers, the skies will clear, and there's likely to be some mist and fog patches later on. It'll be a bit colder than recently, but even so, not particularly cold, 6 centigrade at 43 Fahrenheit. There'll be some fog patches too around the coast and on the hills near the coast as well. And then tomorrow, well, a showery day for most of us. Some heavy showers again. Some of the showers lasting quite a long time, I think, particularly in Wales and the southwest of the country. And in these southwestern parts, I don't think you'll see much of the sunshine tomorrow. But some heavy showers, some hail again, some thunder about as well. The hail and thunder occurring just about anywhere over England and Wales. But for most of us in between the showers, there will be some sunshine, so it's not really all gloom. And temperatures, well, a bit colder than they were today, but still 12 or 13 centigrade, that's 55 Fahrenheit. And as I said, down in these central and southern parts, quite a windy day. Over the weekend, the weather's going to stay showery, but we'll all have some sunshine. It'll get a bit colder, though, so there'll be some sleet and snow in the mountains of Scotland, and cold enough for a touch of frost at night. Well, that's all from me. A very good night.
And that brings the time to approaching 9 minutes past midnight. And that's all we have for you for today on BBC1. BBC Radio 2, as always, keeps a welcome for you round the clock. But from all of us on BBC1 here at Television Centre in London, a very good night. Good night to you.